Hello, 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 and welcome to my channel. My name is Tammy. I'm with Mom's Passive Income, where I talk to you about everything related to passive income, including affiliate marketing, digital products, and freelancing. So tonight we're going to talk about System.io. What exactly is System.io? So that I've actually been running my entire business on System.io. It's an all-in-one marketing platform. It's designed to simplify the process of building and managing an online business. I kind of felt like when I first started with System.io, it was really a really robust email marketing system, but then my mind kind of started changing about really what it is and how it's helped me. So here are some key components and functionalities of System.io. So you've got a website builder, you've got sales funnels, you've got design, you've got email marketing, blogging. You have the ability to create blogs, membership sites, courses and webinars. You can create an online community, affiliate program management, automation, which means you can automate various processes and streamline all the operations of your business. And it's all in one together, right? So you're not having to piecemeal things together. You don't have to Frankenstein, from one platform to another and then try to figure out how to get them automated. And I'm going to show you a little bit about what System.io is all about and how it's going to help you out. So I'm going to log in here. This is my dashboard. So I've been using this for a little while. I just started selling digital products. Previously, I was doing freelancing, and I was doing a lot of my work outside of System.io. But this is what the dashboard looks like. You've also got an affiliate dashboard where you can see some of your affiliate stats if you're promoting the business. I myself have made a little over almost close to $750 in affiliate commissions, and that's just by showing people how to use System.io. You've got a student dashboard, so if you've enrolled in any courses, anybody who is building their business on System.io, you have access to the courses. And some of these are paid courses, some are free courses. This is just an example. The other thing that you have available to you is a marketplace. So you can actually come on over here and you can click on the marketplace and you can find anything that you might want to be an affiliate for. There's some offers here. You can look at the affiliate programs. If you want to promote something, there's the System.io platform where you can get 60% commission and lots of other things here. Then you've got your contacts, and this is all the information that you have here. You've got tags. So I can create all the tags for each of my email campaigns so that I can segment folks out. Pipelines, this is a new feature for System.io, and it's really for someone who's probably in a service-based business. I just started testing this out since I do freelance work. I build websites. I do no-code websites using the System.io platform, and you can actually create a pipeline here where you start people as a new lead and then move them through the process. I just started this, so it's empty, so you can't really see much here. Then you've got your website, which is your blogs, your sales funnels, and now they have digital stores. So I'm going to show you what some of the blogs look like. So this is actually a few blogs that I've already created. I have some that were actually some of my own and some that were my customers. So I'm going to show you this one here. Let's see, did it open up? Probably not. Let's open it up really quick. So this is my blog. This is what the blog layout looks out in the back end, but this is what the blog will actually look like. Looks like this. Really simple, very simple blog website. I've got a home tab, learn, grow, shop, blog, and about, and you can see what the blog looks like. I just started actually building this a while back, so this is brand new for me, but I do have a template for this if you guys are really wanting to figure out how to build a blog. It's pretty simple. You've got your blog layout, your blog settings, and then the post layout. This is the post page. There's a pages section where you build out each of your pages, and then you've also got your categories. And you can also build other websites. I'm going to show you guys this website. This is a really nice one. You can build out a real estate website or anything related to the type of industry that you're in, and it has a pop-up. Pretty nice website here. So let's go back over here. You've got your sales funnels. So sales funnels, I've got quite a few. One that I would say is probably one of my favorite things right now is my blog. Let me actually find it. That you can actually purchase a blog template right now. It's $47. I give you a full tutorial on how to use it, but it's a funnel and build your own blog. It's super simple, and I've got it branded so it matches most of my colors, and I created this all on the System.io platform. You've also got your or let me go back to digital stores. Digital stores is something that's new. Kind of looks similar to Stand Store. It's a little bit easier to manage than creating a funnel. And you can see what it looks like here on the side. It would look like this on the side. I actually have to take this out because I was testing it last night. But you can see what it looks like. It's pretty easy to manage here. It looks very much like Stand Store. When you create a new item, all you're going to do is add a new product, and you have the ability to add an external link, collect emails, or sell a digital download. So very similar to Stand Store. So if you want something simple, this is a really good way to go, and it keeps everything pretty streamlined. And then you've got your email campaigns and newsletters. So campaigns, I've got 12 campaigns going right now, so you can actually, like this one here, Learn to Make Internet Money. It's from my course. One of the big ones that I have right now is Sell Digital Products, and this is from a freebie, a lead magnet that I have. And I have all the emails. You have the context at this state of the email process. You have the emails that have sent. You have their open rate, and then you have the total clicks. And so you can see the stats as you're going along. And of course, you can also edit them. You've got newsletters, which I like. I do this quite often. So if I have something new that's going on, I'll send out to people, and I usually send out to my entire list, and you can see the open rates. Seems like for the newsletters, the open rates are a little bit less than the actual email campaigns. But some of them I kind of test them to see which ones work. And sometimes I might just change the subject and see how it works. Automations, this is your rules and your workflows. This is how you add an automation where you would subscribe someone to an email, you would add a tag, you would, let's say you have an offer, you would add a tag, you would subscribe them to a campaign, maybe you would subscribe them to a course or add them to a course. That's how you would work that out. And then you've got your products. So your courses are here in this area. One of the courses that I have right now is Learn How to Make Internet Money. So this is the back end of it, and then this is what the course will look like on the other side. It's pretty simple. It's really nice and clean. It's not that hard to put together, and you can see just some of the modules as you go through. The information. I have a video here on this one about your instructor. So you can see how I built my entire business on the System.io platform. You've also got a community. I just started using this, so I actually don't even have anybody in my community. I just started building it out, and I will start adding people. I'm going to send out an email that's going to let people know this is, this is available to them if they want a place to communicate and to touch base with me. And then you can also do physical products. Don't do any of that. You can create your coupons and, of course, your courses. So that's kind of the gist of the entire thing. There's your transactions, subscriptions, affiliate invoices, and then your own affiliate program if you have an affiliate program. So it's really great. It's a super simple platform. It's really not that hard. I would probably say the majority of the work comes from creating the funnels. But once you start creating, you get going. It's really easy. As we go through the rest of the course, you'll be able to see how easy it is. But this is just an intro of what System.io is.